Good morning, everyone. I welcome you all to this 45th session. My name is Lohia KJR. I am working as an assistant professor of English at Government First Grade College, Sunkal Bidri. So today, in this session, we will discuss about scene 12 in the play Sirisampige, written by Chandrasekhar Kambar. So now let me share the PPT with you. Yes. Okay. So introduction to scene 12 and also disappearance of comic parallels and the trap. So scene 12, how it starts, scene. Shivanaga in scene 12 saw Avali who is weeping alone, and he goes to Avali and asks the reason for his crying. And then Avali says that Javali is dead during the ritual at the banyan tree outside the town. So, how he has died, according to Avali, Avali explains all the things that have happened during the ritual, according to Avali. So when Kamala and Javali went near the banyan tree to carry out the ritual according to the instruction given by their family god, when Javali was garlanded by Kamala, Javali transformed himself into a serpent. And when he transformed himself into a serpent, he started to make love with Kamala. At the same time, Avali, who was present at the scene, he started to boil the milk to offer to Javali. And when Javali got the smell of that boiled milk, please, you have to remember all these things, what I am telling now is according to Avali. So when he started to boil the milk, the smell of that boiled milk went to Javali and it came near that milk, boiled milk. And when it started to drink that milk, Javali was died. So this is the version of Avali. And when he goes on telling his story about the Javali's death, at the same time, Bhagavata intervenes and tells the truth behind Javali's death. So Bhagavata clearly says that Avali is the sole person who is responsible for the death of Javali. When Javali, who has been transformed into a serpent, when he came to drink the milk, boiled milk, he was, burnt, and later he was chopped into pieces by his own brother Bhavali. We came to know this truth by Bhagavata. And after Javali's death, Havali started to behave like Javali in front of Kamala. And they both went, together from that place. When they started to go away from that place, Kamala, she started to lay down the eggs. ಕಮಲ ಮೊಟ್ಟೆಗಳನ್ನು ಇಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಶುರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾಳೆ. So when she started to lay eggs, ಅವಳಿ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ಲಿ ನೋಸ್, ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಸ್ಪಷ್ಟವಾಗಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಮೊಟ್ಟೆಗಳು ನಂದಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಜವಳಿಯದು. So that is why he started to crush all those eggs. And ultimately, when Kamala came to know that it is Avali who is crushing all the eggs, and also she came to know that Javali is already dead, ಯಾವಾಗ ಕಮಲಳಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೋ ಜವಳಿ ಆಗ್ಲೇ ತೀರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಅವಳಿ ಅವನನ್ನ ಸಾಯಿಸಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಅವಳಿ ನನ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮೊಟ್ಟೆಗಳನ್ನ ನಾಶಪಡಿಸಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೋ, ಶಿ ಬಿಕೇಮ್ ವ್ಯಾಗ್ರೆಂಟ್. ಸೊ ಅವಳು ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಕ್ರೋಧಿತಳಾಗ್ತಾಳೆ ಕಮಲ. ಅಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ she calls Avali as a wretch in one of the dialogues. ಅವನನ್ನ wretch ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. And also, after that incident, Kamala disappears into the forest. And when Shivanaga listen, when Shivanaga listened all these incidents that have happened in the life of Avali and Javali, gradually he started to identify himself in the story of Avali and Javali. ಈ ಅವಳಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಜವಳಿಯ ಕಥೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ತನ್ನನ್ನ ತಾನು ಗುರುಸ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ ಶಿವನಾಗ. ಯಾವಾಗ ಈ ಕಥೆಯನ್ನ ಆಲಿಸಿ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನಲ್ವಾ ಶಿವನಾಗ, ಅಟ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಇಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಹಿಮ್ಸೆಲ್ಫ್. ಎಷ್ಟರ ಮಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಡೈಲಾಗ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ, ಆ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಸೀನ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ಡೈಲಾಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಅವಳಿ ಆಸ್ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸ್. ಅವಳಿಯನ್ನ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸಂಬೋಧಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ಈವನ್ ಈ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಕಮಲ ಆಸ್ ಸಂಪಿಗೆ. See, he views himself, he is seeing his own reflection of life in the story of Avali and Javali. So that is happening in scene 12. And you must remember that the subplot of Avali and Javali is parallel to the main plot of Shivanaga. So, ಇವೆರಡರ ಒಂದು ಸಾಮ್ಯತೆಯನ್ನ ನೀವು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡಿ. So, and at the last part of scene 12, Shivanaga, he heard something, some sound in the palace, and he came to know that someone is in the queen's bedroom. ಸಿರಿಸಂಪಿಗೆಯ ಒಂದು ಶಯನ ಗೃಹದಿಂದ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಶಬ್ದವನ್ನ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ. Automatically he became alert, and he tells Avali to surround that entire room with soldiers. So they have planned to trap they have planned to trap Kalinga, who is in the queen's bedroom. So this is the end of scene 12. And there are some important dialogues in scene 12 that you have to remember. See, first dialogue. You chopped the writhing snake whose mouth was burnt with axe. See, this dialogue is delivered by Bhagavata. When he intervenes and tells the truth about Javali's death, that Javali is killed by none other than his own brother Avali, he makes this statement. And next one. Gosh, what do I see? She had laid an egg where she had sat down. So, this second dialogue is delivered by Avali. When, see, ಯಾವಾಗ ಅವಳಿ ಜವಳಿಯ ರೀತಿ ನಟನೆ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕಮಲಳನ್ನ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾನೋ, then she started to lay eggs. ಆ ಕ್ಷಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಗಾಬರಿಯಿಂದ ಹೇಳಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ಮಾತು. This dialogue is delivered by Avali at that situation. See a third one. Wretch, you have destroyed my progeny. See, ಈ ಒಂದು ಡೈಲಾಗ್ ಅನ್ನ Kamala has delivered this dialogue to Avali. When Kamala came to know about the death of Javali, and also when she comes to know about, it is Avali who has destroyed all the eggs laid by her. At the time, ಯಾವಾಗ ಅವಳು ಈ ವಿಷಯಗಳನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾಳೋ ಆವಾಗ ಕ್ರೋಧಿತಳಾಗಿ ಆಕ್ರೋಶದಿಂದ ಆಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಮಾತುಗಳು. ಯಾರಿಗೆ? ಅವಳಿಗೆ. See, a lost dialogue. Wait, did you hear his voice from the women's apartment of the palace? See, this is the last dialogue. This is delivered by Shivanaga to Avali. After listening to the story of Avali and also Javali's death, Shivanaga, at the last part of the scene, he hears the noise. I mean, he hears someone is speaking in Queen's bedroom. At that time, he made this statement to Havali. So these are the four important dialogues in that scene. So by this, I'm going to end my session. Thank you all for listening to this session. Thank you.